eating? What's he eating? You don't know. These din-dins. Some chicken. Din-dins. And Ducky and chicken.
If it was like a leaf.
Kinda. Yes, I am now. My mum won that, I won that, and yeah, I won that, and then that's the one that's what we're playing now. So you guys can see if I'm winning or not. That's the board.
36.
The purple ones are the ones that they haven't done yet. I keep looking to see if I have like the 60s and 80s, but
71.
you know.
46. 70.
Seconds. Don't shout like that.
So guys, I actually won. My mum didn't because I didn't realise that 76.
My number was the last number.
Actually, you won by you can put me. It's fine.
I wanted to. Oh, I thought that was still playing. I was like, what?
No, you did win, but you lost because you wasn't paying attention.
But I get the
technically-
point.
No, but I won because you
gave
weren't
me the
paying
point.
attention.
You just said
okay,
I got
but
the
in
point.
real
My
life,
last number
you wouldn't
was
have
the
won.
last number
These are the
of
ones we have left, huh?
Out of 90, my last number, which I had for about 20 numbers, was the last number called.
I just hasn't won yet.
Guys, down.
These are the thing. My mum, then me,
I
then
have
me.
such bad luck.
These are our
You have such
three.
good luck.
This man's voice is so annoying, by the way, guys. But you know,
It's movie tree.
Mum just printed these off the internet, right?
Yeah, myfreebingocards.com. It's on the bottom.
Okay, I'll put a link in the description box as well here.
Ready to play?
No, I'm not ready to play.
Let's go.
Okay, so we just finished playing our bingo. So Mum won the first game, I won the second game, I won the third game, I won the fourth game, and the fifth game, and the sixth game. So I won 5 games, my Mum won 1, and Tiana won none.
I had the two. I had my one.
your
Your
one.
Don't stand by the window. Stand there.
Come and give it to you.
I had your one at the window then.
I had your one on my one. to come to give to you. I was going to give
You
you
what?
the one I took.
sheets. She
The
didn't know
sheets.
which
Oh, right,
I
yeah.
didn't. No, I knew what one I was going to choose. I was going to choose the one I gave to you. Then I thought, actually no, because I'm going to jinx myself. So I swapped them.
Always go with your little gut instincts. This is our dinner. Yes, Elsie, bingo. She keeps saying bingo now. This is our dinner. My one's the one with no vegetables because I don't like broccoli. But it's pasta bake. And this little Elsie's little one, she's like a little face. Yum, yum, yum. So, we are making some marshmallow biscuits. I made them nice colours like
Strawberry
this.
temptation.
Okay, it's fine. You just talk in the background. Just do your thing. So we've got these little mini marshmallows. So don't. Where are these mini marshmallows even from?
Caramel.
Mum, where are these from? Where are these from?
What? Marshmallows?
Yeah.
I don't know any.
Marshmallows are from Notre Dame.
Okay, Notre Dame.
Oh no, tenner, and this one's just chocolate.
And my mum's just talking over there. But yes, 2 for me, 2 for my sister. But I did some white. Look, Tan, look at the way I did them. White and pink, like
That's what Tenner did.
satisfying. But if you put too many in, they burn. If you don't put enough in, they don't cook. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, all you have to do is do this. Put some marshmallows in. You can put chocolate on top if you want as well. But yeah, we're gonna put it.
Works good with
in
big
the oven.
marshmallows usually, but we haven't got any.
Yeah, we don't have big marshmallows, so that's why we're using these mini ones. Yes, it's called a s'more in case anyone's wondering. But it's really easy. You just do this, and you can add like other stuff into it as well. Like as I was saying, you can add. Yeah, you could use chocolate biscuits as well. But yeah, our microwave's broken, so we're using the oven. I'll show you what they look like afterwards as well. Okay, so this is the biscuit reveal. So I did burn them a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I burnt, and what happens when you burn it is literally the top layer. Oh no, they've stuck together. Oh no. There we go. But they're still gonna taste good. So like as you can see around the edges, they're a bit like golden. Which is it goes this way around, but so you can see the top of them is golden, which is a bit burnt, which just makes it a little bit crispy, but it still tastes good. So I'm gonna eat them, and then I don't really know what else I'm gonna do. Probably not very much. I might. Oh yeah, I was gonna go watch Aquamarine in the other room, or maybe another movie. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna go watch some movies. Hopefully with my sister. She doesn't stop sitting on her phone. Hi guys. So right now that's hot. I am filling up one of these little bath toys because me and my mum were having a water fight. Because Elsie got me when I was laying down, so I got my mum and then she got me. So we're just having a bit of a water fight. And I have to use this because she's locked me out of the bathroom. And if I go to the mirror, you can kind of see how wet I am. Yeah, you can see how wet I am. Yeah?
She looked at the floor.
Yeah?
Oh, Tay-Tay.
Els, where you gone?
Where are you? I'm in the bath. No more now, Tay.
Look up.
No.
Look up.
Don't start that. Tay, no more now. You promise it's a last thing now.
No, let me in.
No,
I don't believe you.
Look, there's nothing in my hands.
Hello. Let me see. There's nothing in your hands then. No, stop.
Look at my hands.
I don't believe you.
Savage little funny head.
No, stop. Stop.
That got you back.
Ah. Don't ask. No, you said you swore.
More. What did you do?
The Hoover!
That poor Hoover. Elsie, she wants mum, don't you?
No. Oh, Taylor Lily. It's not even our Taylor Lily.
I'm not filling it up anymore. It's just a... As said I do. Okay, let me fill it up for you then. No,
Are
stop!
you gonna stop?
This is for my YouTube, by the way.
No. Are you gonna stop?
Yes, I will stop. This is for
You gonna
Elsie.
then?
I am. I'm waiting for it to fill up. There you go, Elsie. Who are you going to shoot?
Get out.
Who are you going to shoot?
Thanks, babes. Oh, look at the floor. Look at the floor.
Oh my god. I just hope you showed them. Oh, you're wearing black so you can't really tell.
I think we film you then.
I already have in the mirror. But look at my
Turn
face.
round.
Can you even see? It's
Not
all
really.
wet here.
Turn round.
And all over me. Is it wet on the back? Yes. Oh, there's one here.
Don't do it.
Something. Hi guys, so I just realised, like, I haven't even shown myself in this vlog, but like, because I've looked a mess all day, I keep saying, but like, I've looked a really big mess all day, so if you want to see what I look like, you can go and watch my other videos on my channel. But basically, I've just decided to cook some wedges, so right now it is 7 o'clock at night, but I decided to cook some wedges because I got hungry, so I've got a plate of wedges and I got some curry sauce, like, dip. It looks like a lot, it's not a lot, it's just like spread out. But yes, I'm going to wait for this to cool down, and whilst I wait, I'm going to put my pyjamas on, and then I'm going to eat these. So I'm not really sure if there's going to be anything else to vlog today, so make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you like it. I'm probably going to watch Aquamarine on the telly whilst I eat this, actually. That's a good idea. But yeah, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Click the bell to get notified whenever I film. Don't know where it is. Click the I button. Hopefully, if I remember, there'll be some videos on there. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be a glow up. No, it's not. That video is already up. Okay, I don't know which video it's going to be, but yeah, make sure you go check those out. Okay, see you guys next Saturday. Bye. Mwah.